Hey guys, Alyssa here with Diesel Power Products. If you own an 04.5 to 05 GM Duramax, this is a great airflow upgrade for your truck. This is the AFE Blade Runner Turbo Inlet Tube. Your factory inlet tube is extremely restrictive, which limits how much air your turbo can actually pull in. This upgraded inlet increases your airflow by up to 73%, allowing your engine to breathe better and work more efficiently. Also, it uses AFE's multi-directional vane technology to help smooth and guide airflow to the turbo, improving spool-up time and lowering EGTs. What this means for you: faster turbo response, up to 23 horsepower, and 57 foot-pounds of torque. If you want to wake up your LLY Duramax, get yours today at dieselpowerproducts.com.